Hi, we're the girls from Kukla's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
And we're continuing our Super Bowl Fry Week with our Fava Falafel. And so we're going to start with some scallions and garlic that we've had sauteing here for a little bit. We just wanted to get it nice and brown. And over here in our food processor, we have our fava beans.
Which we've already cooked.
Right.
So fava bean, well, they're not fava beans, but it's beans that we use to make fava, which is yellow split peas. So we're going to be doing this with yellow split peas, and we're going to add a few ingredients to this in our food processor. And then we're going to put in our scallions and our garlic as well. So let's start putting things as layering into our falafel. So first we have some mint that we're going to add to this. Just chopped up fresh mint. And then next we're going to have some parsley.
Okay. There's our parsley.
And what is our third one, Joanne?
And the third one is mint. Is
basil?
Yes. We're going to add that. Some basil. Okay.
Okay, then we have some lemon juice we're going to add to this. We've got an egg. Egg white. We're doing an egg white today.
Yeah, we're doing an egg white.
A little bit healthier. And then we have our seasonings.
So we have here some cumin, some fresh thyme, Aleppo pepper, and some sea salt. We're going to add all of that in there.
Inside.
Okay.
So then we're going to pure. Oh, we need that now. Yeah. We need our scallions and our garlic. It smells so good. Okay. And now we're going to puree this. Let's see what we've got. How does that look? Let's push it down.
We're going to just push it down.
Sometimes you need to push it down and then puree a little bit more.
Yeah, this definitely needs a little more puree.
Yeah. Going to transfer this to our bowl. So let's get this in our mixing bowl.
Okay, let's get this out.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we need, we have our red bell pepper.
Our roasted red peppers.
We're going to actually stir that in because we don't want that to puree into the mix. We want nice little chunks of red pepper in our falafel. Okay, here we go.
Okay, I'll stir that in too.
You need this?
No, we're going to stir with
good?
this. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just going to give that a nice little stir. And we've got our olive oil heating.
But here's the trick. So now once you have this mixed together, you want to cover it, put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or overnight. So you can make this a day ahead. It'll firm up your mixture so you can make the patties. They hold together when you're frying them. So that's the next step to doing this. And we're going to come back and show you how we put them together and we fry them up. Okay, so now we have our chilled mixture. And to this, we're going to add some baking powder to make the falafel fluffy.
And some sesame seeds.
Toasted sesame seeds. That's going to add some nice crunch to your falafel. So we're going to stir that in, combine it well.
And I'm going to wet my hands because we need to form little balls with wet hands.
Yes.
So I'm going to do that.
When your hands are wet, the mixture won't stick to your hands, so it'll be easier to roll them.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, so we're going to do like 1 tablespoon for each one.
And then we're going to roll it in our fine semolina. So see how you have a nice little ball here?
And the semolina will give it a nice, delicate crunch on the outside.
Yeah. Place that in here. I need a little more.
Good. Take what you need. We've got plenty.
And here we have our finished Fava Falafel. And with our red pepper sauce. And you can put them in pita bread. We like to use the Condos pita. This is a pocket pita.
So you can open it up and fill it in with your falafel, and we have all these wonderful sides that you can also add to your falafel pita.
Some nice English cucumber, lemon wedges, so you could sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice on top, and then we have some red onion and some tomatoes, and that makes a beautiful sandwich.
And the red pepper sauce is a really nice sauce to serve them with, but you can also do it with tzatziki. We have all the options listed on our blog, as well as the recipe for all of this. So enjoy your Super Bowl fry week. Kaliorexi.
Kaliorexi. And join us next week for some more fun Super Bowl recipes.
Yep, we're ready for it.
We're ready. Kaliorexi.
Kaliorexi.